defending his title at the upcoming World Championships in Doha, Qatar. The 26-year-old made the announcement on his Facebook page, citing an ankle injury suffered during training. Manang'oi sat out the national trials on September 13th, courtesy of having already secured a wild card to Doha. He spoke to NTV about his injury during the event.
My injury is good now. It was bad that earlier, so after Doha Diamond League. But see my doctor in Austria, so I'm perfectly well now. I was just waiting for the team, and then I'll be the team to Doha. Now I'm ready.